nice to work with you.
Likewise.
I would like to know why did you choose Saigon Technology as your development partner?
Well, I found Saigon Technology online and I spoke to yourself on Skype and you seem very professional, very responsive, and yeah, I've been working with you for maybe 6 months now, so yeah, very, very happy.
I see us in the very near future being one of the leading software outsourcing companies in Southeast Asia. We have some of the smartest software developers that are already working for us. And in a few years' time, they'll only get better. We're established. We've been doing this for a number of years now. We've got customers in Russia, Europe, Australia, New Zealand, USA. We continually position ourselves to be the market leader, and we believe this will be achieved in a very short time.
At Saigon Technology, we always try to create an open and friendly working environment, but still maintain the professionalism. With us, our recruitment process should be very strict because we always want to bring the best people to the team, as well as human resource is the most important resource of the company.
From the beginning, Saigon Technology started with Agile spirit. We apply Agile in every activity of the company, from marketing, management to software development. We practice Scrum, Kanban, or we combine them and Scrumban here. Lean mindset is also featured in here. It means we try to use less resource to achieve the best result possible. Our team members also enjoy the Agile coaching program with interesting game or team building activity.
Hey guys, it's Min here again. I'm at our Saigon Technology headquarters in Vietnam. So I'm here with my good friend Quang today, our project manager, and he's got some pretty exciting stories for me. You got something to tell me about augmented reality, Quang? What is that?
Augmented reality. This is the latest project we have just completed.
Oh, cool.
Augmented reality is mean there's two things. The first one is the reality. This means our real life. We will capture our real life by the camera. And augmented is something add to the real life.
Okay.
And something added from the computer.
So what are you using that for at the moment? I see like a change room thing.
Yes, this is we make a virtual fitting room.
Okay, so you're telling me I can go to the fitting room without taking my clothes off?
Yes.
Oh, that's no fun, but that's all right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
okay.
show me all the technology. Show me how it works. So I see you've got a camera detector there.
Yeah. In this project, we use the camera from Microsoft Kinect.
So this picks up my motion.
Yep.
Okay.
This camera will capture image and your motion and put on the computer.
Okay. I'm excited. Can I do this now?
Yes, for sure.
Okay, cool. Let's do this.
Let's play with it.
Let's do this. Let's play with it. Okay. So what I do? Oh, I feel like Darth Vader. So what I do? So I go next.
Yes.
Oh. Oh. You think that look good on me? No.
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 No. Oh. Not my colour. Oh. Nah. Green's not my colour. Oh yes. I think that's alright. I think that suits me.
Yeah.
Give you with a dress. So I can take a picture of this, right?
Yes. You just on the camera.
Okay. Cool. Oh, yep, smile. 1, 2, 3. Cool. Oh, so I can walk around like that? Well, I'll send...
This will go with you.
It'll go with me? Yeah, no worries. Amazing technology.